Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 2 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair it from your phone. First, let's open the HUAWEI Health app on our phone by tapping this icon right here. Then let's tap on Devices and select our watch from the list. Now let's scroll all the way down and tap this Unpair button and confirm by tapping Unpair. And that's it. You can also unpair your watch from the watch itself, and to do it you just need to press the upper button to wake up the screen. Then press it again to open the menu. Here you can scroll down, tap on Settings. My bad. Again, tap on Settings. Then scroll all the way down, tap on the System, and here you can find Disconnect option, tap on it, and then tap the blue check mark to confirm. And that's how you unpair your watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.